Hi and welcome back. I'm George Pierce. This video is about my big giveaway. It's an affiliate marketing giveaway. Periodically I give away a free affiliate marketing gift, and this is a gift. In fact, it's a twofer. You're going to get two gifts instead of one. It's going to help you with affiliate marketing, so if you need help with affiliate marketing, I invite you to stay with me. I also invite you to stay with me for your bonus, which is an easy way to make money on YouTube, as well as how you can get a free shout out. Speaking of shout outs, allow me to give a quick shout out to Tom Riach. Hope I'm pronouncing that last name correctly, Tom. Tom qualified for his shout out on IBO Toolbox. Tom is a successful entrepreneur. In fact, he's been an entrepreneur his whole life. He's always been self-employed. Now he's a full-time writer. He shares what he's learned about business, about success, and a whole lot more in his books. He's got a number of successful living books that are just fantastic, as well as making incredible posts on IBO. Literally some of the best posts that I believe you'll ever read. Tom has a way of opening your eyes, of helping you and I to learn stuff in such a way that he makes it fun. You'll find a link below to Tom's IBO profile page. I encourage you to visit his page. You'll be glad you did. My big giveaway is going to help you to see more clearly the path that you need to take as an affiliate marketer, and also how to navigate that path. Of course, the more clearly that you can see things, the more clearly that you can see your goals, your objectives, and the steps that you need to take, the easier it's going to be for you to get to your destination. In addition, these ebooks are going to help you to solve three major problems that newbies have, and I certainly face these problems. I believe that all newbies do as well. If you're thinking of working from home as an affiliate marketer, or if you are an aspiring affiliate marketer, this giveaway is going to be of help. Now, my experience as an affiliate marketer was a little bit like Annie's experience that just happened a couple of weeks ago. Annie was in a hurry to get to a sales call. In fact, she was in a little bit too much of a hurry. So before she knows it, she's being pulled over by a state trooper. And the state trooper gives her a ticket for going 15 miles an hour over the speed limit. While Annie was guilty, she still asked the trooper if he would give her a warning instead of a ticket. And his reply was there were already warnings posted up and down the road, and they said speed limit 55. As a newbie, as a new affiliate marketer, my experience was similar, very similar to Annie's experience, except in addition, my speedometer was broke as well. Since I was serious about affiliate marketing, and I was serious about succeeding in affiliate marketing, I was going down the affiliate marketing path at a breakneck speed. My thinking was that the faster that I could go, the sooner that I would arrive at my destination. And that is true as an experienced marketer. Now, it's commendable to try to go as fast as possible, but in my opinion, it was a major mistake, at least in my case. I was aware that affiliate marketing took time, but I was also aware that any journey takes less time when you can go fast. And when it comes to affiliate marketing, guess what? As usual, I was wrong. In fact, what happened was, due to my fastest possible approach, unintentionally, I ended up doing virtually everything, and I mean everything, wrong. And then little by little, I would do less and less wrong. Over time, way too much time, I'm talking about 12 to 18 months, eventually I got some traction. I don't want you to have to take 12 to 18 months to learn this stuff. There's no need for that. So what I want to share with you is that the key to affiliate marketing success is the details. The key to affiliate marketing success is the details. The better that you can learn these details and then take care of these details, the better your results are going to be. By going too fast, I was overlooking all the details. I wasn't learning them, I wasn't learning them properly, and I wasn't taking care of them properly. Go as fast as you can, but take time to learn the details and take time to take care of the details. So that's one of the ways that this giveaway is going to help you. The other mistake that I was making, I mentioned that the speedometer was not working. The fact was that as a newbie, I knew that something was wrong because I wasn't making any money. I mean, it wasn't working. It's supposed to work, but it wasn't working. And I think most people are in the same boat as newbies. And the real problem was that I didn't know what was wrong. I knew something was wrong, but I didn't know what was wrong. Well, how do you fix something that's wrong? How can you fix something that's broken when you don't even know what's broken? No wonder most new affiliate marketers fail. Today's big giveaway can help you and save you some time. And speaking of saving time, this reminds me of the overworked production manager. The salesman had just shown him how new automation would cut his workload in half. It would cut it by 50%. So the production manager said, I'll take 2. This brings me to the third mistake, and this is getting to be a very prevalent mistake in my opinion with a lot of newbies. It's not an on-purpose mistake, it's an accidental mistake, but it's caused by automation. There's certainly a place for automation. And when you are ready and when you can afford it, by all means, purchase automation, purchase software, purchase the things that you need. But here's the trap that most affiliates fall into. They spend money that they don't have. They think they're supposed to spend money that they don't have, and that's wrong. If you were purposely trying to ruin your business, if you were purposely trying to ruin your home business, one of the best ways to ruin any business is to spend money that the business doesn't have. Don't spend the money, and I want to share with you, you do not have to spend that money. There are gazillions of free tools out there, free sites, free resources that can help you with your home business, with your affiliate marketing business, until you can afford paid tools. And I'm going to include a link to a video in which I include 38 free fantastic tools for affiliate marketing, fantastic resources, fantastic sites, and so forth. And I encourage you to watch that video. Now, the second problem with paid tools in the hands of a newbie is that they might do the seller a lot of good. They might do the seller a lot of good. They don't do the newbie a whole lot of good, if any good at all. And you can kind of think of it like having a beautiful, nice new car in your driveway, but you don't know how to drive it. And number 3 is a mistake that I'm seeing way too often, and that is that because you have all this automation, you kind of think that that everything is now on autopilot, and it's not. You kind of think that you have everything you need, and you don't. What you really need, and I say this with love, is that you need to learn affiliate marketing. My big giveaway is going to help you there. And now that I may have insulted you, and I apologize, now that I've given you a little bit of tough love, if you like this video, and I certainly hope you do, if you're finding value in this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Do that right now. Turn that like button black. Thank you so much. My big giveaway, as mentioned, is a twofer. My first giveaway is Affiliate Marketing Kickstart. This is a timeless standard for getting started in affiliate marketing. You'll find the basics such as help with affiliate networks, affiliate programs, PPC. Also, it's going to get into things like survival tips, super affiliate tactics, boosting commissions, boosting them overnight, using video to get a lot more clicks, as well as common mistakes that you need to avoid. In addition to the ebook, you're also going to be getting resale rights, and resale rights means that you can not only use this for your own personal use, you can also use it to help you to grow a list or for profit. So along with the ebook, along with resale rights, you're also going to be getting a sales page and a squeeze page. My second giveaway is Affiliate Marketing Newbie to Pro. Behind me is a snapshot of the contents of this ebook, and it so happens that one of the financial reasons why affiliate marketing has such a phenomenal financial potential is that we can leverage our efforts. Leverage is one of the tools that make wealthy people wealthy. In Affiliate Marketing Newbie to Pro, please pay particular attention to how you can leverage your business. The content's spot on, and it's going to help you to change your business almost overnight. You're also going to get resale rights, sales page, squeeze page. You're also going to get articles and emails. The link to the download page is https://Cutley, CUTT.ly/my/big-give-give-away. In fact, I'm going to include a link below. This is something I don't normally do. I'm going to also include a link below in the description to that page, because the content is going to help you that much. In addition, you're going to find a surprise. You're going to find an additional surprise giveaway, which is going to help you with funnels, and one of the funniest jokes ever. And this brings us to your bonus. Your bonus is going to be how to make $340 a day or more, a whole lot more, on up to over $5,000 a day, and also get a free shout out. In addition, you're going to get to see me in a tux. I'm going to leave a link below to that video. And for your information, my videos do get posted on 20+ social media sites. So let's give your channel or your website the exposure that it deserves by giving you a free shout out. If you'd like to see more videos like this, consider subscribing to my channel and ringing the bell. Hit that subscribe button, smash that subscribe button, ring the bell, and that way I'm going to be able to let you know whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. Allow me to wish you much success. I'll see you in the next video.